Hey everyone, welcome to a Storylinez demo. Hey Ronith, today we're actually going to be going through the Agentic video editor, something that we've actually built at Storylinez. Let me take you through a video ad. We're going to go through our go-to-market ads. We're going to click on our Ben & Jerry's one that we've made. We're going to go to the prompt tab and I'm going to walk you through it. So first of all, a lot of people can't write prompts like this. This is way too long. Most people can't really think of things, but they have a favorite reel that they like they would love to copy. Just tell us what you like, click on it, add it to your project, and now you've told us this is something that you want to copy using your own content. Next, upload your own content just as usual. If you're missing any, use the stock media. Then you can get to go to your storyboard and you can move all your scenes around and see how we're going to plan the video, and actually talk with Storyboard AI on what you want to change, even if you don't know anything about storyboarding. Next, after you do your voiceover, which is pretty simple and straightforward, you actually go to the editing tab where you don't even need to touch your timeline. You can just talk with the sequence AI and tell it what you want to do and what you want to change. And we've actually made some changes here already. You can just tell it to redo the sequence based on the latest storyboard data, just like how we've done.
Was that a bit complicated? That wasn't even half of the customizability Storylinez offers. But being complicated is not good, right? That is where the Agentic system comes in. Everything we have is accessible via the Agentic system. You can ask it to do all the stuff that we just talked about right now and more. You see this complicated brand preset stuff? Look at this. If I click any one of them, look how complicated this is. Guess what? Watch me ask the agent to build it for me instead of me learning how to use all these complicated options. Let's just type in a prompt. Hey, I want you to go and build me a brand preset. So behind all these automation, Storyline processes all your content through a very complicated but accurate analysis system. So you can essentially use the system to tag your content, get detailed metadata about your content, not limited to scene information, object appeared, text spoken, pacing, colors, or even chords and instruments used. Imagine coming home from a hectic day of video shoots, being a videographer, and dumping all your memory card and have Storylinez automatically segregate and organize, tag and auto import based on what video you want. Looks like the brand preset is built and it's ready to use now. Well, that's it. Join us as we build the best Agentic AI automated video editor in the world that anyone can use.